welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to share with you all the things I've been loving this fall, including clothing, accessories, skincare, makeup, and my favorite Instagram's account at the moment. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you want to see next. Don't forget to turn on the little bell so you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I'm very active there. I post every single day and I'm always responding back to your comments. And also I'll be having a giveaway really soon. Let's get started with the video. We'll start with skincare. I got the Mario Badescu Rose Water. Everybody needs this thing in their life. This is like the best thing ever, and I love this. It's so refreshing and hydrating, and that's why I love it. So next, for skincare, I got this clarifying mask from the brand called BioClarity, and it's also like a drying face mask, and I usually use this when I'm breaking out because it dries out my pimples, and I love this thing. Last but not least, I have these two products. First one is a Lift and Firm Collagen and Lasting Eye Gel. Is from the brand Skin Lab. This is amazing. I use this every day before going to bed and when I wake up as well, because my under eye area has been really dry lately. So I use this and it is really refreshing and I'm obsessed. And I have the Carmex Classic Lip Balm. This thing is like the best. I'm almost running out, so I need to get a new one, but I really like this. Okay, now for makeup, I have all of these things here that I've been loving. I'm going to start with this Cargo Bronzer. It's incredible. I'm wearing it right now, and what I love about this is that it's not completely matte, but it has like a little bit of glow to it, but not too glowy, you know, so it's like perfect and I love it. Something else I've been loving, and like this isn't like my favorite thing in the whole universe, is this Clove and Halo liquid blush. This is amazing, guys. I love blush and I've been loving this one so much. For lips, I've been loving like a glossy lip. I actually forgot the gloss I'm wearing right now. It's in my bathroom, but I'm going to insert a clip here of it. And something else I've been loving is this Mood Matcher liquid matte lipstick, and the color is beautiful. I'm going to insert a clip with a swatch so you can see how it looks. And with this lipstick, I like to use this Mood Matcher lip liner as well, and I love it because it goes so smoothly on your skin, and I'm obsessed. Now to start with accessories, I got this tool that I'm wearing right now. It's this bracelet from Pura Vida. They sent me 8 bracelets, but this one is my favorite. I don't know why, I just think it's so cute. Another thing I've been loving is this watch that I got from New York & Company. They were having a sale, so I decided to get this really cute watch. Something else is this hair tie that has like this little scarf thing in here, and I got it from H&M, and it's so pretty. It was like $3. It was on sale. And last but not least, for accessories, I got this hat from Forever 21. It was under $20 and it's so pretty, guys. I'm going to insert some pictures here so you can see how it looks, because I've been wearing this a lot lately and I love it. Okay, so I want to get a hat from Lack of Colors, but their hats are really expensive. But here's the tip: if you want to get a Lack of Colors hat but you don't want to pay almost $200 for a hat, you can go to the Princess Palette website and they will have the same hat for cheaper, for example. And you can also use a code in a hat that is actually $80 will turn out to be like $60, and that's a lot better than paying $180 for a hat. So yeah. Now with clothing and fashion, well, that was part of fashion, but I'm going to start with shoes. These shoes, I've been loving them. I got them at Macy's, but the brand is called Indigo. And you know that snake skin and like cheetah, those patterns have been really popular during fall and everybody is wearing them. So I got this and they're so comfy and I love them. And for boots, since it's getting a little bit cold in New York, I love wearing these Stephen Madden boots, and I actually got them at a thrift store for like $12, and they were like new, and I wear this every day to go to class because they're extremely comfy. And okay, now clothing. First piece is this that I'm wearing right now. Got this really cute sweater from Primark and it was like $14, and I've been obsessed with the color yellow and pink lately. Obsessed. Something else that I've been loving so much is this teddy coat. You guys, it's so cute and comfy. I got it from Forever 21 and it was less than $50, like $48, really cheap, and these are usually really expensive. And tip, if you want it to look like bigger than it actually is, you have to get a bigger size. For example, I'm a size small and I got this one in a size medium, and I'm obsessed with the way it fits, and it's perfect. It's perfect. And last for clothing, I have this sweater. It's so cute. I love stripes and it is a turtleneck, and I love this so much. And now I'm going to share with you the Instagram's account I've been loving the most lately. There are a lot of accounts and people I follow that are so talented, and like you can see how much work they put into their pictures, because everything is so professional and creative, and I love people that work hard and that you can see how much they work and how much love they put into everything they do. And these people really inspire me every single day. To start with, I'm going to start with Soella. Her Instagram is Soella, but I think her name is Zoe Isabella. It's a beautiful name. I'm obsessed. As you can see, her Instagram is so pretty and like it has all the false vibes, you know. I love her, and I love her hair. I want to cut my hair, but not really. But like, she's so pretty. Oh my god. And second account is Jassy Marie. Come on, let's talk about this. She's perfect. You can see it. And her style, the colors, everything is perfect. And the queen, Tessa. She's the queen of fashion, the queen of presets. She's just the queen of Instagram. I love her so much, and I feel I get so much inspiration from her and from all of the accounts I mentioned.
Well guys, that's it for today's video. I lost the outro for this video, but I'm going to leave links for everything I mentioned in this video and for all of the Instagram's accounts, so you can go and check them out. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.